Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you hide likes on Facebook posts, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're gonna be using the Facebook app on our mobile device, of course we need to get something out of the way. So open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Go ahead and find Facebook from here, open it, and let's make sure we have the app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to work properly in the app. After that, you can go ahead and open the app, of course. Make sure I log into your account. Now, if you go ahead and scroll down right here on your feed, you'll find these reactions and likes in under the posts. If you want to hide them, tap right in the top right corner to go to the menu, and then tap right here on the gear icon to go to settings, or you can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy right here, and then tap on settings at the top, of course, to open settings. So anyways, we need to go ahead and make it to settings, and here we are in settings. You need to go ahead and open this option that says reaction preferences, this one right here, and that's the place you're looking for. If you want to hide the reactions and likes on other people's posts on Facebook, it's very easy. Just turn on the first toggle right here, switch that on, and every single like and basically any reaction on people's posts will be hidden from you on your feed. Now, if you want to hide the reaction on your own posts, so nobody's gonna be able to see who and how many people have liked and reacted to your videos or content on Facebook, just turn on the second switch and you should be good to go. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.